every time. Dollar CAD, great example here of a swing trade here, 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 and here. So, it's all about being able to get in during that trend whilst it's in the middle of a multi-dimensional trend, and using your MACD and RSI to be able to, identify those opportunities and exploit the market for all it's worth. I mean, that's what it's all about at the end of the day. If you think that the other side, the person or the institution on the other side of the trade is friendly, then think again, because everyone's fighting to the death. This is a zero-sum game. Okay, there can only be one winner. Okay, dollar Swiss. Here we've seen now dollar Swiss was actually upward for quite some time. Yesterday, or in the previous video, I talked about the changing of the trend ending and bending. Now, I've just started this video playing or recording from straight after the previous one that I recorded. And you can see here that it changed. If you recall, it was bidirectional on the overall direction because there were 3 and 3, 3 pointing up and 3 pointing down. And the 4-hour had not changed to red yet. Now it has. So 4 or more gives us more confirmation on the trend. Now, having said that, it's been going up for quite some time. So you do want to make sure, just like with the trends, that you're minimizing your risk and only getting into trends that, or only getting into trades that are going to represent good opportunities for reward. Now, of course, this would be a trend trade, so we're not going to focus on that too much. But here again on the dollar yen, we can see some nice swings upward. Here, here, here. Again, you would ignore the bear traps. Okay, you would ignore the trades going down, because why? Well, it's overall up, and you don't have to do. Let me tell you, if you have to check out the higher time frames on 3 higher time frames on every chart, you can easily spend an hour or more going through all of your charts. And what are you going to then do? Write them all down. It's incredibly confusing and mentally exhausting. So take it from me, use the higher time frames to your advantage so you can see what's happening on those higher time frames without needing to look any further. So Euro, now in the previous video, I suggested that this could potentially be a good trend trade, and we'll see how that goes at the end of this video series, if it's actually happened or not. But here again, you can see swing trades occurring all over the place. It's just a matter of making sure that you take the right ones. But that essentially is what a swing within a trend or a power swing is. And the pound, which I actually omitted on yesterday's video, it did give a great trend trade that's not shown here because I've deactivated it. But take a look at all of these swing trades. Very, very nice of being able to get in on the market, even if you've missed the inception of the trend. So ideally this one, there's over 300 pips in that play. Now, this is an interesting thing here with what's happening on the high time frame. So we could be looking at an ending and bending of the trend, but for now it's still looking downward. Would I get into the trade now? Not necessarily. It's looking pretty low at this stage. So ideally I would like to look for another opportunity of getting in on a correction and getting into another swing within a trend at a better price. So it's all about obviously being able to sell the highs and buy the lows. But between trend trading or power trends and swing trading or power swings, you've got lots and lots of opportunities to get in the market at precise times, which are going to minimize your risk and maximize your rewards. So with that said, I'm going to wrap it up now, a little bit shorter than yesterday, but I hope you've been able to take home, or you'll be able to take home some positive information there on how to trade the markets. And of course, remember tomorrow I'm building the system with you in the workshop, and you can build along with me, or you can just download the template that I'm going to provide you of a version of the Trend Profiteer system. So make sure you look out for that, and we'll cover profiteering, putting it all together. So until then, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.